Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn type number 15 related to Laplace transform. So what is basically that type? Laplace transform of integral. If Laplace of f of t is equal to phi of s, as you know that Laplace of f of t is equal to phi of s, then Laplace of integration of 0 to t f of u into du is equal to 1 upon s into phi of s. So you need to observe carefully in this particular term, this is f of u into du. If the given example of if the given question is in this format, it should be in the form of f of u into du, then you need to identify it is related to Laplace transform of integrals. Okay, so to understand this type, let's consider few examples. So let's begin with the first example. With the help of this, what we need to do, we have to calculate Laplace of integration of 0 to t sin 2u into du. So the step number 1 that you need to follow is, you have to identify, first you need to equate the given example with the standard example. If you are going to equate with this, from that you have to identify f of u. So let's begin with the solution 1. As I told you, you have to identify f of u. Will you able to identify f of u? So in the given question, f of u is nothing but equal to sin 2u. f of u is nothing but equal to sin 2u. So next procedure is what? We have to calculate Laplace of f of u. What is Laplace of sin 2u? You can consider the standard result is what? Laplace of sin 2t is equal to 2 upon s square plus 4, if you remember. Okay, so in this particular case, Laplace of sin 2t or sin at is nothing but equal to a upon s square plus a square. So in this case, the answer is 2 upon s square plus a square, that is 2 square is equal to 4. Now next procedure is what? As per the given example, we have to calculate Laplace of integration of 0 to t sin 2u into du, which is equal to, by the standard formula, 1 upon s into, inside the bracket, what is phi of s? This is phi of s. Laplace of f of u, which is nothing but equal to 2 upon s square plus 4. If you are going to equate with the standard result, 1 upon s into phi of s in this case is nothing but equal to 2 upon s square plus 4. I hope you have understood example number 1. Coming to the example 2, what is given? Laplace of integration of 0 to t. If it is integration of 0 to t, you have to identify the given example is based on type number 15, that is Laplace transform of integral. Am I right? So let's begin with the solution. What is given? Integration of 0 to t u into cos square u into du. As I told you, first you have to find out, you have to identify f of u. So if you are going to identify, if you are going to equate with the standard result, f of u is nothing but equal to u into cos square u. Next procedure is what? We have to calculate Laplace transform of that function. So if you remember how you are going to calculate Laplace transform of u into cos square u, we don't have the formula for Laplace of cos square t or cos square u. So for that purpose, you need to substitute trigonometric formula. If you remember, first you need to calculate Laplace of cos square u, which is nothing but equal to 1 plus cos 2u upon 2. 1 plus cos 2u upon 2. So from this we can take 1 upon 2 outside the bracket. What is there inside? Laplace of 1 plus Laplace of cos 2u. So as per the standard result, Laplace of 1 is nothing but equal to 1 upon s plus Laplace of cos 2t or cos 2u is nothing but equal to s upon s square plus 2 square, that is 4. So I hope you have understood till this step. So this is Laplace of cos square u. Now we need to calculate Laplace of u into cos square u. If you observe carefully, this is nothing but multiplication by u. So how you are going to solve if it is Laplace of u into cos square u? Which formula you will apply? Minus 1 raised to n d raised to n upon ds raised to n inside the bracket phi of s. So in this case, this is u raised to 1. So what is the value of n? N is equal to 1. So simply you need to substitute minus 1 d by ds inside the bracket. What is phi of s? 1 upon s, 1 upon 2 inside the bracket 1 upon s plus s upon s square plus 4. I hope you have understood till this step. The next step is what? We have to take the differentiation. So what is the derivatives of 1 upon s with respect to s? So what we can do? We can take minus 1 upon 2 outside the bracket. So first we have to take the derivatives of 1 upon s. So we can apply s raised to minus n formula. So if you are going to apply derivatives of x raised to minus n, which is equal to what? Minus n into x raised to minus n minus 1. So here you will get minus 1 upon s square. So similarly, derivatives of this particular term, you can add one more step. You can separate out the term. First derivatives of 1 upon s plus derivatives of this. So which formula you are going to apply? Derivatives of u by v. So what is derivatives of u by v? V as it is into derivatives of u minus u as it is into derivatives of v upon v square. Am I right? So in this case, can you apply derivatives of u by v? So what you will get? Plus s square plus 4 as it is into derivatives of s is 1 minus s as it is into derivatives of s square plus 4 is 2s upon s square plus 4 whole square. You can use this bracket, curly bracket. So what you will get? Minus 1 upon 2 inside the curly bracket minus 1 upon s plus s square plus 4 minus 2s square. What you will get? S square plus 4 minus 2s square upon s square plus 4 whole square. So what is remaining? If you open the bracket, you will be getting 1 upon 2s square minus minus plus 1 upon 2s square here minus inside the bracket s square plus 4 minus 2s square. So it would be equal to s square plus 4 upon s square plus 4 whole square. This is the answer for what? Laplace of u into cos square u. But we have to calculate Laplace of integration of 0 to t u into cos square u into du. After this step, you need to use this formula. So what would be your final answer? The final answer is Laplace of integration of 0 to t u into cos square u into du. As per the standard result, 1 upon s inside the bracket phi of s. So what is your phi of s? 1 upon 2s square. This is minus of minus plus s square minus 4 upon s square plus 4 whole square. This is your final answer for example number 2. I hope you have understood how to solve problem based on Laplace transform of integral. What you have to do? You have to identify f of u. From the given example or from the given question, you have to identify f of u. And with the help of the standard result, you need to take the Laplace transform of that particular function. Whatever answer you will get, then as per the Laplace transform of integral, you need to substitute 1 upon s into phi of a. Whatever answer you will get, that would be phi of s. So Laplace of integration 0 to t f of u into du is nothing but equal to 1 upon s into phi of s. I hope you have understood type number 15 related to Laplace transform. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Thank you.